Hello, I'm Chef Iwan and this is masak-masak.
Okay, Chef Iwan. So, can you tell me what you're gonna cook today?
Oh, this is secret recipe. You cannot know this thing, you know.
So, come on, this is
An open cooking show. Oh yeah, your style of cutting is very good. Just what I do, yes. Don't try this at home.
but this is your home. Why can't you say that? Can you try this at home, man?
Just try this at your kitchen, yes. Don't try at home or your bedroom.
You mean like bedroom, like the way we poo?
Yeah.
The place we do.
Now I understand. And we pee too.
We take bath too, huh?
We
have sex together, yeah.
This kind of bed here, this orange color is lembut. This
spoiled.
This is spoiled garlic. We're gonna toast him off.
Oh my god.
See.
So pure, yeah.
That is not a good garlic. You shit. See.
Why can't something's wrong?
This is perfect for my little baby. Oh, this girl will cook nice with my old little baby. Alright. Yeah. With dia kesusahan mencabut garlic.
Garlic, you know, that means like onion, the bawang merah, and the garlic for the bawang putih.
Yeah, but bawang putih is called bawang Holland.
But
my
what can so easy? Like onion is bawang merah, and what about onion is bawang putih?
Because
why the English make it so hard?
Because bawang putih is like suci, you know.
Oh yeah, I'm quite understand.
I take my another ingredients. This non-spoiled garlic. How to check this garlic is so nice? You check this and you pull like Now just follow me, okay?
Saya nak tekan pause lah.
Chop. This is a good garlic too.
So when are you gonna stop cooking your fudge?
Stop.
I mean start.
Oh.
I say
First we gonna cut this vegetable.
So your English is so good, huh? What you got for English?
Triple A. You know?
Yeah, just for English you got triple A's?
Like,
oh mine.
Like Kamen Rider. And like I gonna cook this.
Can you teach me how to press pause?